Coffee with friends is the best antidote to stress and depression. Our daily life often does not take place on a human scale since the rhythms are so fast that it is against our will most of the time. It is also no coincidence that there is now an increasing frequency of burnout, a state of complete exhaustion, which is not yet characterized as a disease, but as a precursor to pathological mental conditions. People no longer have time to enjoy a hobby, their friends, or even do nothing and relax. But what the experts suggest is to clear our minds and enjoy the luxury of a coffee with a friend. What once might have seemed wrong as entertainment, doing nothing, is now a luxury. But a necessary luxury to ensure physical and mental health. Joy is the antidote to anxiety and depression. So scientists suggest that the best anti-anxiety is going out for coffee with friends, talking, and laughing. The coffee ritual is a healing exercise of being present. All these beautiful feelings will remain in the brain, and we can bring them back the next day when something goes wrong. Something as simple and positive as meeting up with friends to drink coffee and talk about the day's experiences can be one of the best activities for the mind and heart.